Hunter SEGO went off to college to study biochemistry and play football, but he put it all at risk due to worries about his family's finances.
My family sacrificed so much just to keep me alive.
It was costing them $1,400 a month to pay for the insulin he needed to treat his diabetes, even with health insurance.
I started to ration my insulin, and I suffered for it.
So he cut back his treatments and ended up in the hospital. Al Jazeera caught up with his mother, a school teacher in rural Indiana, via Skype, and she talked about the choices her family had to make.
Well, we don't go on vacations with both the kids in school. I don't turn on the heat, don't eat out. I've had our electricity turned off. I just have to balance how to pay for everything.
Rationing medication is increasingly common, according to the American Diabetes Association.
The price of insulin has nearly tripled. Uninsured families are facing this. Families that may have insurance are also facing the high cost of insulin.
Recent congressional hearings have pointed fingers at so-called pharmacy benefit managers, middlemen who negotiate discounts on drugs for insurance companies.
In my experience, that kind of negotiation rarely results in an act of charity for consumers.
But ultimately, it's pharmaceutical companies that set their own prices, a cost that isn't fully covered by many Americans' health insurance policy.
If a company raises the price of a product by 20%, and then another company comes in and says that we're giving you a 20% discount, have they really saved you money?
Lawmakers have indicated that they're working towards legislation that will limit how these middlemen make money and provide more transparency to the process. Kathy SEGO tells us something has to be done, and quickly.
I would sacrifice everything. So I know I speak for many moms when I say I would give everything in the world.
She's become an advocate for reform, knowing other families have even less with which to make ends meet. And it won't be long before Hunter graduates and will need to find a way to pay for his own health care. Kristen, Saloomey, Al Jazeera.